Hello, Clearbrow, North Dallas, 2025 Porsche Boxster. Full wrap with XPEL Ultimate Plus, full ceramic, full window film with XR Plus, windshields done in 70, sides in the back that's folded down is in 30%. So let's take a walk around this real quick here and get on to the next car, which is that thing over there, the MC20. So like we do on all our Porsches, the headlight washers, we remove those so that we have a nice tight trim right here. We don't have any gaps. Sometimes you'll see they're oblong because they overstretch, but this is perfect. You don't even see the line, and everything's underneath this light. All these edges are wrapped in. The edge for the hood, the fenders, where the lights are, all these are fully wrapped in. There's no edges exposed on top, and that's what we do. The emblem comes off with two 8mm speed nuts. You'll see there's no trimming outside. Everything is underneath this emblem. Again, no edges when you're towel drying the car or weather's hitting it, rain in the driving, when you're driving. Those edges could be compromised, and those are not anything that's covered by warranty. That's wear and tear. So there's a lot of reasons why you want to wrap all your edges like this. You want no edges exposed. One, for appearance. Two, for durability. And three, so you don't get into a tussle over the warranty, because if you don't wrap an edge, it's not a standard. I mean, it doesn't have to get wrapped. I wrap it because it's the smart thing to do, or the right thing to do. You'll see this for fender here, all these corners, the door and the fender, this A-pillar, all this is wrapped in. 9 out of 10 people will leave these with a line on top. Corner of this hood, fully wrapped in. The door, the fender, all the way down. All this is fully wrapped in. The mirrors, we wrap into this edge here. There is a line here. There's nowhere to go with it. We can add another section, but nothing happens there. All this is fully wrapped. This door, this little trim comes off. We wrap all the way underneath. Our handles, we take those out, so we wrap all the way in. Down below, all this is fully wrapped in. I pop these out. These come out real easy. So there's no lines on the outside of this air vent. A lot of rocks hit right here. And again, coming around, this trim comes off, fully wrapped in. The trunk lid, fully wrapped in. This brake light, we remove this, remove the satellite, so there's no lines around it. So if you have one of these cars, go look at your full install and see if it's like this. All this is 100% wrapped. Taillights come out. Everything's wrapped in, no lines. 718 Boxster S, all this comes off. We get new emblems, and they go back on with no pre-cut lines, nothing. Everything's perfect. Doesn't even look like the car has a film over it. And the key is the way it comes in new. This was brand new. The way it comes in new is the way it needs to look with the PPF when it leaves. We don't want to take away from the look of the car. So everything gets wrapped in. These little lights come out, fully wrapped in, no lines, no edges anywhere. The fuel cap here, the door gets fully wrapped. You don't see any lines. This fender, fully wrapped in side here. So there it is. ClearbrowNorthDallas.com. Our Gmail is ClearbrowNorthDallas@gmail. A couple phone numbers, 214-414-3809. And cell 940-703-8301, just a couple of them. Go to our website at clearbrownorthdallas.com. You can see all the contact info for us. And there it is, fully wrapped, ready to go, tinted, coated, polished out. A lot of decon work goes into it to get it cleaned up to make that look like that. So that's going to go for 10 years or better with the guarantee. And our installation guarantee is the same as the manufacturer warranty, so you're fully covered on parts and labors if anything should go wrong. So thanks for watching, clearbrownorthdallas.com. Don't forget to like us and follow us, and appreciate you guys supporting us. Thanks.